How to fix AirBnb connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search AirBnb app from here. So you will see AirBnb app is here, so click on AirBnb. Scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix AirBnb connection problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after click on clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so after the process, go back to home screen and open control center. So just swipe down. Now here, so turn on flight mode. So after turn on flight mode, so turn off flight mode. So after turn off flight mode, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix AirBnb connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.